welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be filming this video in this really cute tie-dye loungewear set because in this video I am going to show you some new loungewear I've added to my closet, and I'm also going to show you how to elevate it, how to rework it with other things in your closet to make it cool, to make it chic. This video is sponsored by Bandier, and make sure you check out the description box because everything that I show you in this video will be linked down there. They're all available to shop right now, and these pieces I'm sure won't last long, so be sure to get on it. So let's just begin. Alright, so here I have this raglan crew neck long sleeve sweater top in blue tie-dye with the matching jogger set, and it's super soft and very comfortable, and I love the way it fits. I love how the legs are not too baggy, they're just perfect. So I still feel nice and put together. I just added a little chain necklace right here. I literally just got home from the grocery store, and this is exactly how I wore it, just with some sneakers right here. And I just love this for also lounging around the house. But if I wanted to kind of switch things up a little bit, I could just wear this top with some biker shorts. And then I could also pair this with a tank and like a denim jacket, and I'll show you that right now. Alright, so lucky for me, I had these light blue biker shorts in my closet, and I thought they looked really cute with the top. If you had white biker shorts, it would be cute with white ones as well. But I just love this look. This one's great for just running around, running errands, grabbing coffee, a quick bite to eat, if you just want to be in something super comfortable but still really cute. So this is kind of like another example of how I'd wear it. Just throw a mini skirt underneath for kind of like a effortless, cool California vibe, maybe with some flip-flops or some slides, even some sneakers. But that's just another way you could totally wear this little tie-dye number. Alright, so now I took the jogger pants and I just paired it with a white tank. This tank is also from Bandier. It's from the Wesley brand, which is the same exact brand as the tie-dye set that I just showed you. Just paired it with the same sneakers, and this time I'm just going to throw on a little denim jacket over it, and that's literally how I would wear it. So this denim jacket I have here is cropped, but you could definitely do any oversized denim jacket if you want to. You could literally just wear it with a tank if you wanted to as well. And that's a really cute look right there. A little more acceptable for going out just because you kind of dress it up a little bit. I kept the jewelry on. Jewelry is always a way to elevate your loungewear outfits really easily. So that's that. Oh, and then I also got an extra small in the pants and an extra small in the top. Alright, so here we have pretty much the same idea as the first tie-dye set I showed you guys, except for this one is a hoodie, which I love, and I love that it's white, and I love that it's tie-dye and it's super colorful tie-dye, but it's also still very subtle at the same time. The hoodie I love just because I could picture myself wearing it to the beach, especially if I'm going at a later time where I'm going to want to watch the sunset. It's going to get colder, paired with like a bikini bottom. This would be so cute for the beach. And then obviously just the set together is really great. Again, super soft and very comfortable. I got an extra small in both the hoodie and the bottom. So for this one, I would again just wear it the same way. I would pair it with some white biker shorts if I wanted more of a short set type of feel. Again, from Bandier, the same brand as the first one. The brand is Wesley, and so this is what the back looks like. It fits me really well, which I love. This is very great kind of quality loungewear. Alright, so here I have this white tank that I wore earlier and paired it with the tie-dye bottom. So I just wanted to show you that I have the same tank in this neon yellow tie-dye. So this one is new. This one they've had in stock with a bunch of different colors, but it's the cut that I love. It's like this racer back cut that's so flattering on pretty much any body type. And so when I saw this tie-dye in this pretty summery color, I just had to get it. And so one way that I just really love to wear this is to kind of dress it up. This is how I would elevate it. I kind of showed you guys this skirt earlier, how I would pair it with the first tie-dye sweater that I showed you. And so this is just another way that I would use this midi skirt, pair with a tank like this, and I'm just pairing it with some really sleek white flats. They even look really nice with like trousers and things like that. And this is definitely a loungewear look that I would wear at home just because it makes me feel like I'm actually going somewhere even though I'm not, and makes me motivated to get work done. So for this tank and the white tank, I got both an extra small, and like I mentioned, they have a bunch of different prints and a bunch of different solid colors as well. You guys already have seen me in a bunch of videos in the past wear the white one. You may not have noticed that it is from Bandier, but I've worn it in so many videos already, and that's how much I love these tanks. Alright, so here is a workout set I am extremely excited about. Excited to show you guys just because it's something so different, and the quality of this is amazing. And I also just love the colors. So this is by the brand All Access. Obviously they carry it on Bandier. And I don't know if you guys can tell from the lighting, but it has a little sheen to it, which makes it a little more interesting and just so much more fun and just unique. So I feel like if people see you out and about, they're gonna wanna know where you got your workout set from. So I just love how seamless the top and the bottom is. I love these like super thin straps, and they're just so flattering. These don't come with removable padding, but it just feels super secure. And so this is what the back of the bra looks like. I just love how, again, it's very simple, very seamless. And then again, this is what the front of the leggings look like. It has a really nice thick band over here that's not going to dig in your stomach, but it has a nice compression, so it's really just going to keep everything nice and tight and flatter you. And also, I'm only 5'1", and they fit me perfectly. The length is perfect in everything, but also if you were taller, there still is a little bit of room left that it wouldn't be too short on you. And they have about 10 or 12 different colors of these. So you definitely need to try these because they're so comfortable, and like I said, the quality is so good. So if I'm jumping around or anything, I don't feel like things are moving everywhere. So with activewear, I also do consider it my loungewear, especially if it's super comfortable. So this is just that. This is something that I feel like I can wear all day, but at the same time I do like to dress it up just because I don't really love prancing around just like this. So I'm going to show you a little sweater top. So here's a little crop sweater that I would just throw on, work from home in this all day, and then when I'm ready to work out, I'll just take it off and start my workout. But at the same time, if I needed to stop working from home and go and run an errand, again, I just throw this on and it looks extremely cute. And it also matches my shoes, and it's just something that I could throw on with so many of my other activewear that I have, just because it's like this off-white cream color. Could go really nicely with blues and olives and really nice like pastel-y colors if you have a lot of those really cute colors in your activewear wardrobe. Let me just show you up close because this little crop sweater is just so cute, and it's really just such a nice material. It's almost like a fine ribbed material, and I just love it so much. So for everything that I'm wearing, from the sweater to the bra top to the leggings, I'm wearing all extra smalls. All right. Now I know some of you guys may laugh, but if you literally need to run from your workout to dinner or happy hour, this is literally what I would do. I would just throw back on this little crop sweater that I showed you guys. I would just throw on a thick chunky necklace like the one I was wearing earlier, and just throw on some boots. And also I did boots just because I feel like it's a little more acceptable for an outfit like this. Instead of you kind of wearing heels, the heels might be just a little too dressy for something like this. So I feel the boots were kind of a little more appropriate. And like I said, again, you could do black leggings with it. You could do their shiny black ones if they have that, or plain black ones, and whatever other color you may find on their website. But this is just so cute. Can't get over it. Alright, so next up I just have this really cute pink sweatshirt from Bandier by the brand Ragdoll. And I just love this color, but this is another way that I would kind of wear up my loungewear or my activewear from working from home. I just like to color block, so I'll just take the same color as my activewear and then just try to go and find a sweater that is pretty much the same color or something close to it. In this case, it's not really the same color, but again, it's like a color block, which is cool. And then they do have other colors in this little number, and it's one of the softest sweaters or sweatshirts that I think I own. So on the inside, it has this really soft kind of lining that I just can't get over, and I just love the way it feels. And I wish all sweaters came with an interior like that. And then next I'm going to show you another way that I would wear this sweatshirt. Alright, so this is another way that I would wear this sweatshirt, just because it has the R for Ragdoll in white on the logo right here. I wanted to match it with some white shorts, and I absolutely love this look for loungewear, lounging around the house. Then I just paired it with some white little sneakers and then kept the necklace because, again, accessorizing is going to just make it look more expensive and more chic. And this is literally something I could wear, again, running errands, grabbing coffee. It's comfortable. Again, shorts for the summer. And then I'll also link some shorts on Bandia's website for you guys to shop as well. Alright, so we are done with the Bandia portion of the video, and I just wanted to show you a couple more ways that I would elevate some of my loungewear, just taking bits and pieces from my closet and putting them together and making them really, really chic. So this is kind of just a really cozy kind of number that I threw on. So I just have some black leggings, high-waisted black leggings on. These ones I have on are from Zara, and they're ribbed, and they also kind of have this matching bandeau top. But you can really use any black crop top or any tank that you have. And then I just took this really thick cardigan that I recently got from Missguided because I am already planning for fall. So this is the whole look right here. I just think this is a really cool kind of chic kind of loungewear look, and I love that this cardigan comes with a belt. All right, next up, I feel like this little outfit doesn't even look like it's loungewear. I feel like it looks like it's real outerwear, but I literally just took this chunky cardigan that I have from Everlane, and then I paired it with these little relaxed wide leg pants from Everlane as well. So these pants are just kind of specifically made for loungewear or lounging around. You know, just take whatever chunky little cardigan or crop cardigan, or doesn't even have to be a chunky one, and then just pair it with pants like these. I just tucked in the front a little bit, and this is just such a comfortable look that also just looks really, really chic and very minimal and very effortless at the same time. So I love that, you know, you can just take little bits and pieces from your closet that you would never think to put together, and just come up with a lot cuter like loungewear looks, and it doesn't have to be sweats. So this is almost kind of like chino material pants, and I'm really glad I got these when I did, and I'm hoping they're still in stock for you guys. I'm also hoping this cardigan is still in stock just because it would be a really good thing to have now into the fall transition. All right, last but not least, again, just taking little bits here and there from my closet and putting them together to make really cute loungewear outfits, starting off with this little crop bralette here. This one is from Aritzia, and then these little culotte pants are from Victoria's Secret. So I just matched the whites, that's my base. And then I just took a neutral cardigan. Again, this one is Missguided, so I have a brown one and I have a black one. I'm telling you, you guys need this cardigan, and you can definitely wear it into the fall time. You're gonna love this. And yeah, I just threw this over, and this is a just really cute and chic neutral look that I am so in love with. And then this is just another way to elevate your loungewear. Again, I kept my gold jewelry because I feel like the gold just looks really nice with it. But if you didn't want to wear, you know, this little bra top, maybe you're uncomfortable walking around the house like this, again, you could do a tank, and I'll show you what it looks like with a tank on. All right, so here it is with a normal tank on. This is the same Bandia tank as I showed you guys earlier, and like I said, I love this tank so much. It looks good with everything and anything, even this little loungewear outfit right here. And so yeah, if you get hot, you could just wear this by itself. But if you want to be more cozy, you can just throw on this little cardigan over the top. So again, if any of these items are sold out, I will try to find some really similar pieces to link for you guys. And that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, let me know by giving me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments section below which item was your favorite. And if you made it to the end and you liked this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Again, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check the description box for links, and I'll see you in my next video. I just wanna hold